Alright, so we came home from work today and found this on our doorstep.
We love getting packages.
Right? Deja vu? Dude,
Kind of,
right? Oh, right. We said the same thing when we got our Vashi backpack, which we have our review for right up here.
Anyway, we just got this in the mail today.
What is it?
And it is from NAYAD. So, NAYAD is a drinkware company. They are up and coming and they make tumblers that look super fantastic. And I know we said this in our Vashi review video, but tumblers are literally another one of our favorites.
It's like backpacks and tumblers.
Drinkware.
Drinkware, yeah, drinkware in general. We have way too much drinkware. I made Tia throw out her broken tumbler, like the lid. The lid was broken, she lost the straw. And to this day, she still reminds me that I need to throw out another cup or something because she had to give up her no straw, no lid, at this point, a pretty dirty looking plastic cup.
Anyway, it doesn't matter because now we have room for our new NAYAD tumblers. So first of all, check them out. Here's the link. The tumblers look super, super awesome, and we're going to dive right into the package and see what they actually look like. So let's unbox!
Alright, so as per usual, we always have to check the packaging first when it comes to these unboxing reviews. And the packaging looks good. Look all the way around, everything's pretty good. That's on me. Don't, like, that one's on me. I picked up the packaging and then I was like, oh, and then she's like, no, that one's on me.
He tried to open it before we videoed.
So this one's on me. They have pretty simple packaging, but very effective. No hints of anything that's broken. We're gonna cut it open and let's take a look. There's definitely a box underneath, like that's pretty obvious. Okay, this is like really reinforced and okay, so individually packed, uno, and dos. So really this is a double unboxing. Woohoo! Alright, so that's Tia's, we know, because she got this hot pink one and I got this neon electric blue. I'm super excited for it. Okie dokie. Okay, I love this packaging. Very simple, but it gets the point done. Relevant information right up front, and it looks like an illustration of the tumbler right in front.
22 ounce, 650 mils. Double wall stainless steel tumbler.
Pretty cool.
I agree. The packaging is nice and sturdy, which makes me think that the tumbler itself is protected inside, so should we open them?
Oh yeah, of course. Alright, so at the same time, a 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Alright.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh. Oh, guys.
Yes! Hot pink! Oh, yours is really nice too.
Oh, look at that! Mine. Oh, look at this. It's a nice contrast with this. I love this already. And they are, you can tell they are definitely a new company with new outlook. It comes with a metal straw.
And even has the colored plastic tip on it.
Environmentally friendly metal straw. And if I bring it up close, and I'm gonna put this up against like this so you can see. You see how there's a little ring on the bottom there? Let's get it in focus. Okay, the little ring. This is something I look for in all my metal straws. And Tia, why do I look for this little ring?
Because it's the cleaner.
The cleaner. Okay, I'm not really a germaphobe, but it does creep me out a little bit that sometimes you cannot clean the inside of these straws.
They can definitely collect bacteria and germs.
So it comes with a little metal pipe cleaner thingy.
Cleans nicely.
Yeah. All right, and So with that, I feel pretty good about reusing it. And also it comes with this nice color-coded straw tip so that you can pop that guy on there. Ooh, maybe this thing serves double purpose. Yes, it fits perfectly right into the plastic part as well. So it goes right through, no problem at all. NAYAD, you thought of a lot of things. I'm not gonna say everything yet.
We haven't even looked at the tumbler yet, and I think we're like super, super impressed.
Yes, mucho impressed already. Awesome, Tia is ready to tumble. We take a closer look at the tumbler itself. So again, extra packaging, making sure the tumbler isn't scratched. We're going to take them out. Yes. It's more of a bagging.
So we got the neon colors. Now NAYAD has a whole plethora of different colors you can choose from. We were initially going to go with black and red, I think we were gonna go with.
Yeah, I wanted red at the beginning.
But then we saw the neon colors and thought, you know, why not? These pop, they're super colorful, super fun, and they would be perfect for us to take with us tomorrow to Orlando.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm so excited.
So these are BPA free, 24 fluid ounces bottle, and
patent pending.
Designed in California, USA. And you can see on the top here, it's got the little pop-up lid. So if you like to drink, you know, if you're drinking like a coffee, oh, this is not, there we go. If you're drinking a coffee or something hot, you can just drink like through the normal little lid there. Or alternatively, if you want to use the straw, Andy's going to demonstrate.
It fits right exactly into the mouthpiece hole, mouth hole. Just like that. Whoop. Whoop. Pretty cool. And of course I'm gonna put my little tip on here. I personally like it when the straw does that little like bendy thing, so.
I'm so excited. These look absolutely fantastic, and I think these are actually going to be perfect. They're gonna fit really well into our Vashi bag as well when we go to Orlando.
That's right.
And we'll be able to have all sorts of different drinks in here. Water, butter beer.
Yes. Ooh, butter
beer.
That's right. Oh, okay. So, taking a look on the inside, we will try to show this, but no guarantees it shows up. But taking a look at the inside, yes, it's a double wall design. You can hear it. However, I know some people are a little picky with this. I personally don't feel like it's that big of a deal, but it is not a single piece, single mold aluminum. Honestly, like, really, I know some people think that is kind of a telltale sign if a bottle is good, but let me tell you this, as a certified drinkware fanatic, it makes no difference.
I'm sold. I just want to use it. I want to go wash it and use it right now.
Alrighty.
What we're going to do is we are going to take these with us to Orlando, and these are going to be the water bottles, coffee mugs, you know, whatever, that we are going to use for that entire trip. So I guess all that's left to do is to count down, and we'll see you in Orlando. 3, 2, 1.